Friends, here is one more problem based on the same direction. We have to find the unfolded paper after punching. So here three figures are given, how the paper is folded and how it is punched. Depending upon that, you have to find when the same paper is unfolded, how that will appear. Let us draw the given figures. So this paper is folded at these 2 points, in this direction and in this direction. This is folded like this and this is folded like this. Then how it will appear? It will appear like this. Okay. Now, in the next figure, it is shown that the paper is folded in this direction. The paper is folded in this direction. Then how this will appear? The paper is folded in this direction means it will appear like this. Okay, once the paper is folded like this, then it will appear like this. In the last figure, it is shown that where the hole is punched. The hole is punched here. The hole is punched here. It's a very important point. You should observe this part, both these parts are not in the hole. You should observe carefully. This part is not at the place of hole. That means hole is not on these parts, both these parts. That means the hole does not come on this part or on this area. The hole comes on this part because the paper is not a square, it is like a triangular paper and it is folded like this. That means it's here. The paper will come here. That means the hole here punched will not come on this part or in this area. Now, using that technique, how many layers are formed while punching? How many layers are formed while punching? If you see this, first layer, second layer, and the bottom, which is equals to 3 layers. Now here, already I have got 3 layers and this is folded like this. How many layers now? Yes, of course, 6 layers. After folding this in this direction, I got 6 layers. Here. Now, as I said, this portion or this part of this area is not coming under this hole. That means here I got how many layers at this part, at this area, how many layers I got? Yes, of course, only 2. Only 2 layers are present at this part. That means how many holes will appear? 2 holes. Just eliminate the wrong options by using this. In the first option, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes. But how many holes I should get? Only 2. That means option 1 is wrong. In the second option, it is clearly seen that only 2 holes are there. It may be my correct option. Let us see third and fourth options. Third option shows 4 holes. That means option third also wrong option. Moving to last option, fourth option, it is showing 3 holes. That's also wrong option. Now I left with only second option. That will be the right option. This is how we solve this example by eliminating wrong options. Now I will move to next problem.